y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today my video is really just talking to you guys. It's nothing in particular. I just wanted to take the time because I haven't felt like I've ever done really just a sit-down discussion with you guys. Sorry for the noise that you're gonna hear in the background. There is a spring fling going on at my apartment right now. It's just something for the kids for Easter and spring. So I wasn't aware that it was this Sunday, and I wasn't aware that it would be right in front of my window that I normally film out of. So I don't really have the window all the way open, the blinds, just because I don't want people to look in here and be like, oh, what is she doing talking to a camera? So the first thing that I wanted to talk about was the wedding. Now, the wedding is going to be happening in July. I'm really excited. There's just been a lot of planning going on. I'm about to get the suits all taken care of today because I have Jeffrey going with me. The cake, I've been doing some tasting, and I have to just meet with somebody about that. As for the decorations, I'm still kind of figuring out what I want. And my mom's taking care of the favor boxes. I've got my dress, the flowers, we're almost there on it. We kind of got some prices and see exactly what we're gonna do. We've got the flower girl basket, I've got the dress coming in, and in a couple weeks I'll be going back to Maryland to hang out with my sister and my family, which I'm really excited about because she's throwing me a bridal shower, which I will unwrap that card that she just sent me in just a second. And I'm really excited because she's been so helpful. I love my sister to death. I don't see her enough, unfortunately, because she lives in Maryland and I live in Tennessee. So I'm really excited just to go back and hang out with my family for a week, get away from work, just kind of focus on the wedding and everything. The thing I wanted to talk to y'all about is that we are moving next Saturday, which was really just kind of sprung on us. We knew we were having to move before June, or in June, before the wedding, I'm sorry. And I'm really excited to move. It's just kind of all at once. All this is happening, you know. I've got moving expenses, I've got wedding expenses, and then we have our bills to pay. So it's just a lot, but the awesome thing about the apartments that we're moving into is that they're 2 months free rent. So you'll just kind of prorate that first month or the half the month that you live there, and then the next 2 months are free. So that does kind of help out on the money situation. So it's really not that stressful. It's just getting everything packed because I haven't even started yet, and we just got approved yesterday. And during my lunch break, I actually was with Jeffrey, and we were looking at the upstairs level and the downstairs level. And so we went with the upstairs level just for the security purposes, plus the view is amazing. It looks out over the city, so it's just beautiful, and I couldn't have asked for a better place. It's so pretty and new, and we'll be the first ones living in there. So I'm really excited. So we're doing that this coming Saturday, and I'm excited about that just because it'll be a new place and we'll just have a really good time. So during this week, I'm going to be packing a lot. If y'all have any suggestions on how to pack more efficiently, the only thing that I've come across that I personally did, which might help you guys out, is what I did was I would take my shirts, my clothing, and then I would stuff it in like the glasses that I would have out of my kitchen that I used to drink out of. So that way they wouldn't break, and I would still be packing my shirts and clothes with my glasses, and you were killing two birds with one stone and not having to spend the extra money in bubble wrap. The thing that I want to mention is that I have been going back to church. This is week 3 or 4, and I have felt so much more energized. I don't know if you believe in it, but I just feel great, and I'm doing it for myself. I'm not doing it for Jeffrey or anybody else. And that's what my mother-in-law earlier was saying, was that she was so happy that I was doing it for me and not for Jeffrey. So it's just been helpful into my life and taking away all the stress. That's probably why I'm not so stressed about this move, honestly, is just because I've been going back to church. And I really love it. I got noticed as being new at this parish, so that was really awesome. Certainly not least, I wanted to open my card with y'all. So that way she could kind of see as well if she's watching this. And it's just this silvery envelope, which you did a really good job, Lisa. So let me open this. Okay. It looks cute so far. Okay. If I could get it open. Oh, it's so cute. It's got a wedding dress, and then a cake and some flowers, and then two little butterflies. And then let's see what it says. Oh, it's so cute. It opens up just like this. And it says, for Krista McFoy, date Sunday, May 3rd from 2 to 4 at my sister's house, which I'll put my hand over so no one sees. And then just RSVP. So I'm really, really excited. Thank you so much, Lisa, for this. I am really, really excited to have this, and I'm fortunate to have you as a sister. I really am, and you have just been the best maid of honor. Obviously, I haven't had a maid of honor before, but you've been the best one so far, and have definitely taken a lot of the stress off my wedding. So I really, really appreciate it. So that's pretty much it. I feel a lot better just talking to y'all already, and I'm really excited to move. We're gonna be looking at some paint later. I'm thinking maybe a teal, like a dark teal, so that way it's not too bright. Something like that as an accent wall. And then one more thing I had to mention, this lipstick is from the Too Faced Melted lipstick line. And I'll put the shade down below, and I'm really, really loving it. This is my first day wearing it, so it's doing a pretty good job. And also, I just tried the Quest white chocolate raspberry bars, and oh my gosh, those are so good. The guy at Vitamin Shoppe definitely knew what he was talking about, and wow, I mean, it's just amazing. So if y'all haven't tried it, try it. If you like white chocolate and raspberry, it's amazing. It's not very, like, there's a little bit of jelly in it, it feels like, but it's not like that. It's like a Nutri-Grain bar where it's all centered in the middle, and then the outer layer is like a gluten or a bread shortcut. I don't know. I really can't think right now, obviously. So yeah, if you like raspberry and white chocolate, try it out. If not, the cookies and cream and the s'mores are also amazing as well. So if y'all have any questions or comments below, or have any questions for me, leave it down in the comment box below, and I will be happy to answer y'all. Until the next time, bye guys.